Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cordless impact wrenches that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Cordless Impact Wrench Brushless Motor by Eneacro. The Eneacro Impact Wrench creates bits for every tool, including energy and occupation, from creation to exploration. Each material sticks to a standard of safety and functionality, regardless of whether you are an expert and an innovator looking for a specific device for an initiative around the house. Also, a 220 degrees high-temperature safe copper wire engine protects the machine's endless working display. In the event of a shutdown, you will need to perform some static activities, for example, tire destruction, maintenance of machines and structural development, and much more. This is not uncertainty in your intelligent decision. Moving on at number 4, we have the DEWALT DCF889M2 Impact Wrench Kit. You need a tool with enough impressive batteries to finish you through your interpretation as an expert and a DIY aficionado. The XR Li-ion batteries fitted with this wrench give top-of-the-line runtime. It is an improved presentation even in cold weather. Other fine electronic devices are kept in the case of magnesium. This packaging gives the wrench the necessary sterilization. You should not give goosebumps to work on dull spots as it has an LED light for enhanced perception. The framework of the drive comprises 1/2 square drive and an efficient pin blacksmith iron type. The two batteries have an uninterrupted voltage of 18 volts and a non-hip voltage of 20. At number 3, we have the VonHaus Cordless Impact Wrench Set. If you are searching for a cordless impact wrench for smooth price change tire replacement, we need to know about your VonHaus with us. Also, this value converts it into the most intelligent cordless wrench. Regardless of the value, the inspiration behind why the VonHaus could go the route of our list cordless impact wrench for tire replacement is the trigger of its variable speed. It has a forward and turns the button, which is easy to use and control. As for the power, it is a perfect electric impact wrench for eliminating and fixing nuts so basic. It has a 300-pound nut busting force and 260 foot-pound fixing force. At number 2, we have the Cordless Impact Wrench Set by Neeko 10878A. The cordless impact wrench from Neeko highlights a groundbreaking engine. It produces high strength for heavy applications of home and various enterprises, and produces sharp attachments, screws, and fasteners for the elite. It is most impressive to reach 3000 RPM and make up to 3500 BPM. The speed of an equipped engine can be effortlessly balanced on your prerequisites. The rated battery-powered lithium battery supports a long-life battery and gives maximum execution. It also has an elastic surface handle for a similarly bright hold. And finally at number 1, we have the DEWALT DBCIW20 Cordless Impact Wrench. The impact wrench of DEWALT DBCIW20 makes some strong trade-offs on some notable spots. Yet, at the same time, some decide how to deliver the fair-skinned item to others. It can positively speak of an unusual approach in specific socio-economic issues. This quality has a great engine as a decent form. It lags behind in both categories but illustrates how it can be a commonly spoken item. Provides a lightweight plan and a smooth activity under adequate feeling. It similarly comes with a battery and a charger outside the container, which definitely boosts your cash. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.